Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What's up, people? So we're here is going to analyze Disney movie named Coco. It's a movie which was released in 2017. So let's get it. Before we start our presentation, let me introduce my team. Start with me as a moderator. My name is Devi Aularatsma and Iklil Lailiyah Rosman as first speaker, Ruri Suci Insiroh as second speaker, Eki Maya Wilandari as the third speaker. So, without wasting any time, Iklil Lailiyah, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Devi. Okay, this I am review meet the main character. First, Miguel. Miguel is a 12 years old boy. The main character in the film Coco has a strong determination to achieve his dream of becoming a musician like Ernesto. Miguel has a gentle side of character and is not afraid. Okay, next is Mama Imelda. Is a Wolf 5. She talked about his hatred of the music into his descendants and did not forgive her husband until he died. Despite that, Imelda is a strong woman and loves her child Coco. Next is a Mama Coco. Is the daughter of Imelda and Hector in this film. Coco is the main character, so her name is used for the title of this film. The character depicted in the film, Coco has a senile and quiet nature because of her old age. Next, Hector. Depicted as a lucky skeleton who is kind but asks for rewards. This is ridiculous and also reckless. However, without Hector's character, this film would not be as enjoyable. Hector, who loves his son, gives the impression that he's a loving and melancholic father. Okay, next, Ernesto de la Cruz. Hector, cunning and evil friend. His character is not praiseworthy in this film, placing him as the antagonist in this film. And Abuelita is Miguel Fusi grandmother and the first person the opposite Miguel. This desire to play music. She always forbids Miguel from playing music and forces him to continue the Rivera family's business. And the last, Papa Julio. This character is Mama Coco's husband, who is familiarly called Papa Julio. Despite being the shortest member of the family and being easily impressed, he is brave when it counts, as he is the first to attack Ernesto security guards, despite being at least a head shorter than them. Okay, that's all.
Okay, thank you, Leah. And then the next material will be presented by Ruri Suci.
Thank you, Devi. Okay, so I will present a movie review. Coco tells the story of a young boy named Miguel living in Mexico. Coco is his great-grandmother. Miguel loves music and must keep his love a secret from his family, who has forbidden music of any kind since the days of his great-great-grandmother. On Dia de Muertos, Miguel wants to enter a contest to showcase his musical talents, but his grandmother intervenes, reiterating the family's ban on music. In his hunt of suitable guitar to play, Miguel finds himself in the land of death, meeting the spirits of those who have passed on. On his adventure, he meets his musical hero, much of his deceased family, and a strange man who asks for his help and quickly becomes a close friend. Along the way, Miguel helps his new friend, and his friend helps him understand the true significance of Dia de Muertos. Of course, the title character, Coco, turns out to play a vital role before the movie is over. When the moment arrives, she delivers something powerful and it's beautiful. It moved it moved me in a very satisfying way that felt well earned and authentic, rather than manipulative, the way many movie movement moments of this short film. Then there is a part where the day of the departed is celebrated. It's not about the dressing up or the food or the music. It's about family and remembering those that came before us. Leave it to Pixar to not only entertain me, but also educate me about a rich and wonderful tradition of another culture. Thank you.
Thank you, Suci. And then the next material will be presented by Eki Maya. Eki, the time is yours.
Thank you, Depi. Idioms. I'm gonna play in Mariachi Plaza if it kills me. Artinya, aku akan bermain di Plaza Mariachi meski harus terbunuh. A shoemaker stroke a throw. Artinya, pembuatan sepatu selama-lamanya. You go home my way or no way. Pulanglah dengan caraku atau tidak pulang. He and his family would sing and dance and caught their blessing. Artinya, dia dan keluarganya akan menyanyi dan menari dan saling berkelahi. Figurative language. Metaphor. Oh, you are twin, Mijo. Artinya, kau begitu kurus, nak. Metonymy. But he always had a dream to play the world. Artinya, tapi dia juga punya impian bermusik untuk dunia. Simile. A talk make be one of those made-up things that adults the kids like vitamins. Artinya, kukira itu hanyalah tipuan yang selalu dikatakan orang tua, seperti vitamin. He just looked like a plain old dog or saw someone dropped a barbershop. Artinya, dia hanyalah anjing biasa atau sosis yang habis dicukur. Hyperbole. We drank together and you told me your word move heaven and earth. Artinya, kita minum bersama dan kau bilang akan menggerakkan surga dan bumi. Personification. He just looked like a plain old dog or sausage someone dropped in a barbershop. Artinya, dia hanyalah anjing biasa atau sosis yang habis dicukur.
Thank you, Eki. And the last material will be presented by me, Devi Alarachma. Best part. Best part of the movie, one of my favorite would have to be when Miguel first becomes dead and sees all of the spirits crossing the Marigold Bridge, all of the spirits of the loved ones showing up in the cemetery, dancing, taking their food offerings, and so on. The ending is so heartwarming and uplifting. Hector is okay and finally reunited With his daughter, Miguel can happily perform music, and even Dante is being treated nicely. Okay, that was the result of our analysis. Thank you and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.